It's so cold today. Yes, but it feels so nice in the blanket, right? So cozy. Hey Chinky, move the blanket a little bit. My foot is sticking out. If I move it that way, my hands will be outside. What is going on, Gattu and Chinky? Are you two not coming out of the blanket today?
But just then the doorbell rings and all of Gattu and Chinky's friends come inside the house.
Hey friends, you all are here? Hey Gattu, it's a holiday today, right? And we were getting so bored at our houses. That's why we came here. Oh, that's very good, children. At least this way, these children will get out of the blanket and play a little bit. Children, I'll go and bring some snacks for you all. Okay, Auntie.
But as soon as mom comes back from the kitchen with the snacks, she's surprised. Instead of Gattu and Chinky getting out of the blanket, all of their friends had joined them inside the blanket and they were all watching TV.
Wow, look friends, this cartoon is so good. Gattu's idea was good. We shouldn't go outside in this cold. We should just watch TV inside the house. It's so cold outside. Children, what are you all doing? This is very wrong. Come on, go outside and play. Mom, not today. Please.
Mom understood that it wasn't going to be easy to cheer the children up today. So she thought for a moment. And then a brilliant idea struck her.
I bought this chocolate fountain machine on sale last week. Why don't we have a nice warm hot chocolate fountain in this chilly weather today?
All the children sitting in the hall hear this. And they all say together,
What? Hot chocolate fountain?
Wow, Auntie, hot chocolate fountain.
What? Monty, when did you come? Yes, and who let you in? Chinky? Sorry, Mom.
I was just passing by and I heard the sound of hot chocolate fountain. So I came running here.
Gattu, Chinky, so will this Monty stay with us too? Yes, Bunty. Now we can't tell him to leave in front of Mom. Huh? But Monty, behave like a good boy, okay? No mischief. Huh? Okay. Listen everyone. So are you all ready to enjoy the hot chocolate fountain? Yes, Auntie. But how will you make it, Auntie? It's easy. First we'll make hot chocolate and then put it in this machine. Simple. What? Is it that easy, Mom? Yes, of course.
then what?
Wow. This is just like on TV. No, Gattu. Remember we saw a chocolate fountain like this at the mall? Exactly the same. Can I taste it and see?
Gattu tries to put his finger in the chocolate fountain. But mom stops him.
No, Gattu, wait. There's still the main surprise. What is it, Auntie?
Mom takes out a bowl and brings a large tray with her. It had lots of different food and drink items on it, like muffins, strawberries, bananas, chips, and so on.
There are some slips on paper in this bowl. You all take turn picking a slip. Whatever is written on your slip, you have to dip it in the chocolate fountain and eat it. And yes, look, these are today's special brownies. Everyone will get these at the end. So, what do you think of this game? It's very fun, Mummy. I'll go first. Watch, I'll get yummy strawberries only.
Gattu quickly picks a slip.
What? It has French fries written on it, Mom. So here you go, Gattu. Pick up a French fry with a toothpick and dip it in the chocolate and eat it. Ugh, French fry with chocolate.
Gattu dips the French fry in the chocolate fountain and takes a bite. But surprisingly, he doesn't find it that bad.
Wow, French fries with hot chocolate isn't so bad, friends. It's quite yummy. You guys try some too. Ew! Your taste is so weird. Okay, move aside. It's my turn.
Chinky opens the slip and it says banana.
Banana? But I don't like bananas at all. Maybe it will taste good with chocolate.
Chinky tries it and eats it, and she finds it okay.
It was alright, but not that great. I wonder who will get the muffins and strawberries. Let me see. Maybe me?
But Good Day's slip has a pickle on it.
Pickles with chocolate? Ew! My luck is the worst of all of you.
Similarly, Bunty's slip has green chili, and Hari's slip also has a banana.
Come on, move aside. It's my turn now. If none of us got strawberries or muffins, then you won't get them either, Monty. Yes, Kattu is right.
We'll find out soon enough.
Monty quickly picks up a slip and opens it and looks.
Look at this. I am the luckiest today. My slip has muffins. Wow, Monty. Take this. Here's your muffin.
But how is it possible? None of us got muffins, Mom. So why did he get it?
Oh, Kattu dear. It was just a little game and Monty won. After this, I'll give everyone muffins and strawberries. Don't worry. But I got them first, didn't I?
Monty teases everyone, dips the muffin in hot chocolate, and starts eating it. But he gets chocolate on his nose. Seeing this, all the children start laughing.
What goes around comes around. You look exactly like a joker now, Monty.
What? What do you mean?
You've got chocolate on your nose, Monty.
What? Never mind. Right now, let me focus on eating this yummy chocolate muffin.
Everyone starts laughing after hearing Monty.
Here you go, kids. Today's special brownies and strawberries too.
Yay!
All the children take turns dipping the brownies and strawberries into the chocolate fountain and enjoy them. Soon everyone has chocolate on their faces.
Now you all also look like Joker. You are right. Today was the best day. Yes, thank you, Mom. This hot chocolate fountain was awesome. We had so much fun.
And this way you all came out of your blankets and had